Ready to ditch the endless credit card typing and snag those tickets faster than ever? We're diving into how to use Apple Pay on Ticketmaster for a lightning-fast and super secure checkout first. Make sure you have Apple Pay set up on your iPhone or iPad. Open the Settings app, then tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Follow the prompts to add your preferred credit or debit card. Easy peasy. Now head over to Ticketmaster and find the event you've been dreaming about. Select your tickets and choose your seating like you normally would. Once you're happy with your selection, tap the Get Tickets button to head to the checkout page. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the Apple Pay button. It usually pops right up as a payment option. It might also say Buy with Apple Pay. Tap that. Your iPhone or iPad will prompt you to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Choose your preferred card if you have multiple ones added to your Apple Pay wallet. Once authenticated, you'll see a confirmation screen showing your payment details. Double-check everything to make sure it's correct. Then just hold your device near the reader as instructed or tap the digital checkmark. And that's it. You'll get a confirmation screen from Ticketmaster letting you know your purchase was successful. You're all set to rock. Using Apple Pay on Ticketmaster is a total game changer. Faster, safer, and way more convenient. Now go get those tickets. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.